unbearable. Why shouldn't this chain be mine?
Chichi, I know you have feelings for me, but I still can't help but wonder if you feel like Sinister is the best choice for me. I just feel like deep down, do you feel like I'm in love with Sinister? I really do not know right now.
I'm not here for my best friend anymore. It was in the beginning. Now I'm here for her. All over his ass. It's time for him to go home.
I feel like we aren't the most compatible, and you might come from different ways.
That cat's retarded. Sushi. Sushi.
I mean, why do I even try? Seriously.
Before I officially give you this chain, I want to know you're here because
He won't do it again.
and not because
No, he won't.
of any other reason. For something else.
The only reason that I'm here right now
Freaking
is
out.